We're kicking off Red, White, and Delicious America 250 with a no-cook showstopper. A firecracker display that's almost too pretty to eat. Almost. We'll display these skewers in a really fun way. It almost looks like a firework. So let's start by prepping our form. I have just foam balls that I got at the craft store. You don't have to, but I got an extra piece of foam just to give this a little height. So now we're gonna wrap the whole thing in some tin foil. So this does not have to be perfect. Our form is done. I will put that in the center of a plate and we'll prep our skewers. So now we'll get our fruit and our cheese prepped for the skewers. So these are the skewers I'm using. You can either use these longer skewers. Typically people use these for kebabs, or I found these really super cute red, white, and blue ones from the craft store. Either way, it's gonna look great. We're using red, white, and blue fruit. So we'll prep some strawberries by cutting those into fourths. Obviously we have some washed grapes, blueberries, and watermelon, and we're gonna make this really special. I'll show you how. You can use any fruit that you want. I would recommend, however, firm fruit. You don't want anything too mushy or it will fall right off that skewer. And our grapes will keep whole, but we will just take them off the stem for easier skewering. And now we'll cut our watermelon. So you could cut your watermelon into cubes. I'm gonna do something a little different. Cut about 1-inch slices. And I found these little star cookie cutters. So we're gonna cut out little stars. How cutesy is that? Now I would say all of these little random pieces left over that didn't quite make the cut, you can save that, don't waste it, and you can eat it for breakfast the next day or lunch, but perfectly good fruit, just won't fit on the skewer. So now for our cheese, I like a really tangy cheese to pair with fruit. So I have feta cheese, and this is a goat's milk cheddar. So we'll cut both of these into cubes, about similarly sized to the strawberry, something that you could eat in one bite. And now it's time to build our skewers. So you can do this in any pattern that you like. I'm going to start with some of these red, white, and blue ones, and do blueberries and grapes and 1 piece of cheddar. And there you go. Not all of these need to have cheese. You can do some just cheese, some just fruit. Get creative. And there you go. Just like a firecracker. How fun is that? Tangy cheese, sweet tart fruit, and it's the perfect bite for your 4th of July get-togethers. You can find this recipe at scrippsnews.com/kitchenista.